Hello po.
Hello?
Oops, sorry. Pwede pa kalinis?
Girls, I'm excited na to watch the concert tonight.
Pop Princess!
Guess what? Kasama natin si Troy!
Oh my God! Pwede ba akong sumama?
Gagawin mo dun maglilinis?
Whatever. Hello, wala ka naman ticket eh, at hindi ka makakapasok.
Actually, meron akong extra.
Okay, we will make you sama if lilinisin mo to.
At hindi lang yan. Ito pa.
Ayan, tapos na!
If I would have to live my life again, I'd stay in love with you the way I've been. Your love is something no one ever can.
Wait. Naka-on pa yung computer ko eh. Pwede ba natin balikan?
Share my life with you. Forever may not be enough, it's true. My heart is filled with so much love I feel for you. No words can say how much I love you so. And if forever's not enough for me to love you, I'd spend another lifetime, baby, if you ask me to. There's nothing I won't do. Forever's not enough for me to love you so. For you, there's nothing I can do, and never will I ever go. Forever's not enough to love you so. But if forever ends one day, I promise you I'll stay to show you that my love will never end. And then forever's not enough for me to love you. I'd spend another lifetime, baby, if you ask me to. There's nothing I won't do. Forever's not enough for me to love you so.
Hello? Mic test? Hello?
And if forever's not enough for me to love you.
Hi! Gusto niyo bang maging superstar? Check out this website, www.superstar.ph, para malaman kung paano mag-audition. Birit na sa pinakaunang 3D video okay online game sa Pilipinas. Mag-audition na po kayo at magkaroon ng chance na manalo na makasama ko sa isang record album at biggest concert of the year. Ano pa pong hinihintay nyo? Sali na! This is Sarah Geronimo for Superstar.